Hey guys, happy Wet Wednesday. So this week we are going to make a video about aphids because we've been getting quite a few messages on our Facebook page. People are asking, what is the fuzzy white stuff that's appearing on our oak leaves? So this Wednesday, you'll be able to answer the question, what is that fuzzy white stuff? So stay tuned. Aphids are small 2 to 4 millimeter long insects that are pear-shaped and have soft bodies. They suck plant sap from the leaves, the stems, and occasionally even the roots. These next few pictures homeowners have sent in to us, and what they are woolly aphids. So these aphids feed on hardwood trees and shrubs, and they're called woolly aphids because they're covered in a flocculent wax that gives them a cottony, fluffy appearance. The hairs on them serve as a deterrent to predators and to reduce the friction, which help the aphids move easily around the plant hairs. The life cycle of aphids is really interesting because it differs based on what season it is. So in the summer, the females are asexual and do not require a male to reproduce, and the females will give birth to a live young instead of eggs. And in the fall, the male nymphs are produced, and they mate with the females, and then they lay eggs on the infested plant, and that is what overwinters in the plant. When it comes to the management of aphids, most of the time you can just let nature take its course. And what I mean by that is aphids are really well managed by their natural enemies. So in the next few pictures, you're going to see depictions of these enemies getting rid of the aphid population on the plants. This is the braconid wasp, which is a parasite of aphids, and it uses the aphids to get its water source. This is a ladybird beetle that is feeding on an aphid and also feeds on other soft-bodied insects. As the aphids feed, they secrete a shiny, sticky waste product called honeydew, and an unsightly black fungus called sooty mold can sometimes grow on the honeydew. Fortunately, though, this fungus is not harmful to the tree. Thank you so much for watching, and real quick, when you come across this fuzzy white residue on your leaves, especially your oak trees, please make sure to pick it apart and see the individual insects before diagnosing it because it can be mistaken for something like powdery mildew. So, thanks for watching. Have a great Wet Wednesday.